Hello my friends, YouTube family and all the other people watching. I'm here at the beach in Rio de Janeiro and I want to show you guys how the beaches here are looking, what to expect, and let's go! So it's my 4th day here in Rio de Janeiro and that's why my Portuguese is not that good yet. I learned a little bit, not too much, but let's see how it goes and see what we will expect, what we will get. Check this out. So today is Saturday, and on Saturday all the roads are closed and everyone is on the beach. So this beach is called the Ipanema Beach and it's right next to the Copacabana Beach, and I just want to show you guys how it's looking here and what people you will see here. It's, I think, a little bit familiar today because more like families are on the beach. It's 12 o'clock, it's like 35 degrees, it's freaking hot here. And you see those two? Those two are like the brothers or like the siblings of the Sugarloaf, the big mountain we were in this video here. The water is super refreshing, it's clean here. There's some other beaches like the Flamengo Beach, which is pretty cool, more locals, not so many tourists, but it's a little bit dirty, so yeah, the locals they don't give a F about if it's dirty. Oi, ¿cómo vas? Soy youtuber.
Opa!
Opa, ¿cómo es su nombre?
Lohan.
Bohan. LatamLenny. Hoy es día de familia, ¿no? No, muchas familias, ¿no? Es mi 4º día en Brasil.
Coitado. Caraca, só 4 dias. Tadinho.
Ah, muito obrigado.
Tá gostando do Brasil?
Es increíble. No conozco muchas palabras en portugués, pero 4 meses en Colombia y solo una persona para español. ¿Español? No?
Tu não, né, Julião? Mais ou menos? Muitas chicas.
¿Te habla español? ¿No? ¿Cómo es tu nombre? Julio. Ok. Bom dia. Ciao. So the people are like cool here with the camera, as like in Español, in Colombia. Look at the doggy. Hola. So, what more to say? I was about to say that the girls here in Brazil, I mean, the probably like standard of what you know from the girls are like or what you think about how the girls are in Brazil, are like brown skinned, big butt. But okay, well, the part of the big butt is maybe true, but they are very diverse, you know. They're like blonde people here, white skinned people here. You can see people from, or like you could think they're like Americans or Europeans, but they're from Brazil. So they are very diverse here. I think like the scenario of like the mountains, the hills and everything here in Brazil or like in Rio de Janeiro. Hey, ¿cómo vais? Or it's like something you barely see. When I was in Santa Marta, like check this video out. Now I can make like almost from, because I'm already having like 70 videos, guys, I can make a reference to many videos. But yeah, for when I was in Santa Marta, it also was like some mountains and stuff, but here it's just different. And the waves here, they're big, man. They're big, you can almost surf in them. And when you get under it, man, ciao. You're getting the full force of Mother Nature. But give me some time, and after 2 weeks or something, I will be able to speak in Portuguese. Let's see. Also, what you need to take care here is sometimes like big groups of like ladrones, of like thieves. They just rush through the they'll rush like in groups of 20-30 people through the beach and take whatever they can and run away. So you need to take care of this. When you see like some suspicious guys walking around checking out what you got, yeah, don't do that, or like take care. And the weather here is just too good, man. It's way hotter than in Colombia, but it's also like, it's like not how do you say it, humido, like it's very dry, the weather here. Here, this guy's selling some corn. Oi, bom dia. And the sun is burning. You cannot be too long here or you'll get sunburned. And so this is like the typical girl you just saw now. Like they're not only like having big butts, you know. I mean they have, but not only. They're also like more slim. Yeah, I like the people here. They have like a good type of, how should I say, like they have a similar energy to Colombia, the Colombian people, but it's not the same. It's a little bit different. Also, I heard a lot about people saying like, when they are saying like, yeah, let's do something, or yeah, you're my new friend now, I'm gonna write you, they're not necessarily going to write you. And this is my first time like having like kind of a walking tour, even though I'm also like saying stuff, you know, like vlogging, but it's like walking through and seeing the people. So maybe we should go like a little bit later again, because there's only families here, or it seems like there are only families here. Also guys, if you're coming here, it's way faster to take the metro station or the bus, because there's a lot of traffic and you will need like double the time when you take a taxi or Uber. So it's better to take a metro station or bus. Also, like from here, from the beach and from the buildings, it looks a lot of like Israel, like Tel Aviv. I was there like 5 years ago with my family, and yeah, it looks similar. There's a good pinky girls. Yeah, Rio is like another type of life here. So if you know something about Brazil, then you maybe also know Sao Paulo. And Sao Paulo is like the working city of Brazil. You don't have, they are working like the whole day. And here in Rio, they are like working until 3 o'clock and then no more. So guys, I've been walking now until the very end of the beach, and now it's time to eat something. So this will be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, hope you guys liked it, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.